Education is one of the biggest investments people are going to make in themselves. And if I'm going to be a part of that investment, then I think I have an ethical requirement to deliver something that they can take with them that's going to be useful, that is going to make them better people. Take the prompt, put it into AI, see what kind of answer you get back from it, right? That's not the assignment. The assignment is, now let's take the response that you got from the AI bot you were using, and the assignment is that you're going to evaluate it. What are the things that the AI missed? What are the things that, if phrased in ways that could be open to interpretation or might be confusing to somebody who's not familiar with the material? What happens when you critique an AI response is that you don't have that social barrier to get over. So now I can be honest. Now I can really deploy those critical thinking skills and see where the gaps are, because this is a completely low stakes environment. Rather than having a bot that's accessing all of the information on the internet, some of it might be wrong, some of it might be a poor example of what we're talking about in class, but AI can't distinguish all of that, right? But because ACE is pulling from the course content of what my students have been reading, it's already familiar with how they've had this information presented to them. It can give students better explanations, better context, use examples or provide examples in addition to the ones I've already provided for them. I can't be sitting next to every student when they're doing their homework, but it's like the second best thing.